All right, viewers. Now, the voter Adhikar Yatra in Bihar of Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi might have ended. Having said that, the politics over one incident that happened in that yatra is still peaking. The latest entrant in that amphitheatre is the Prime Minister himself, who was abused on the 27th of August by a Congress worker. What will this lead to? Can Prime Minister convert an abuse into a political opportunity? Take a look.
Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav's Vote Adhikar Yatra might have ended, but one incident in it continues to set the political agenda for the BJP. An incident where a Congress worker abused Prime Minister. Now the Prime Minister himself has stepped into the theatre of abuse politics. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, today speaking virtually to Bihari women, broke his silence over an abuse hurled at him and his mother in a Congress RJD rally on 27 September.
मेरी उस मां को जिसका राजनीति से कोई लेना देना नहीं, जिसका शरीर भी अब नहीं है, मेरी उस मां को आरजेडी कांग्रेस के मंच से भद्दी भद्दी गालियां दी गई। क्या गुना? उस मां का क्या गुना जैसे भद्दी गालियां सुना दी जाए।
Late Wednesday, after the Lok Sabha leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, left the venue in Darbhanga of Vote Adhikar Yatra, one Congress worker has abused Prime Minister Modi from the stage. The abusive Congress worker was arrested and sent to judicial custody. The BJP then, including the Union Home Minister, had attacked the Congress for fostering a culture of abuse.
और मैं आग्रह भी करना चाहूंगा राहुल गांधी जी के कि जरा भी शर्म बची है तो मोदी जी की, उनकी स्वर्गीय माता जी की और देश की जनता की जरूर माफी मांगे आप।
Congress, on the other hand, maintained it was not a Congress worker but someone else, insinuating a plan by the BJP itself. With the Prime Minister now himself stepping in, getting emotional, referring to his dead mother.
गाली, भद्दी गाली केवल मेरी मां को नहीं दी गई है। ये भद्दी भद्दी गाली करोड़ों माताओं बहनों को दी गई है।
Will this politically put the Mahagathbandhan on the back foot with the Bihari woman vote? The opposition leaders, though, took a sharp dig at the ruling party and its leaders, allegedly reminding them of a history of using derogatory language against political opponents. In 2004, Narendra Modi in BJP's Bharat Uday Yatra called Sonia Gandhi a Jersey cow and her son Rahul Gandhi a hybrid calf. He later apologized for both. In recent years, the leader of opposition in West Bengal Assembly in 2022 parliamentary election campaign used highly derogatory language against Rahul Gandhi.
গত 4 দিন ধরেই একই প্রশ্ন করে যাচ্ছেন রাহুল গান্ধী কে হরিদাস পাল বলছে স্টোভের উপর কয়লা দিয়ে সকালবেলা চা গরম করব তৈরি হয়। স্টোভের উপরে কয়লা দেওয়া আমি তো কই দেখিও নি শুনিও নি। তাহলে যার এই সেন্স তাকে কাউন্ট কেন করেন? পশ্চিম বাংলায় তো অপ্রাসঙ্গিক পার্টি কোথাও আছে নি।
What remains to be seen is, will the Prime Minister emotionally track with the voters of Bihar, especially the women voters? Remember, Congress leader Manish Aiyar calling Narendra Modi Neech in 2017 and a chaiwala in 2014 had cost the Congress dearly. While even though it was not abusive, but what some thought was derogative. When the Prime Minister campaigning in West Bengal in 2021 election had referred to Mamata Banerjee as Didi O Didi.
दीदी, ओ दीदी, दीदी, ओ दीदी।
This was played big by the TMC as disrespect and had found resonance with the section of Bengali women. What remains to be seen is how much will this incident of highly abusive language used by an alleged Congress worker harm the Congress. Sometimes all it takes is one emotive issue. Bureau Report, India Today.